So I'm playing this game. I'm not sure if many of y'all know it. I'm sorry if I sound so quiet because I was like 11 something. Yeah, 11. Make a wish, guys. Make a wish. I made a wish. So yeah, I'm really good at this game. Not good like a pro, but I'm fine. I'm fine on it. Gear. Sorry if you hear some noise. It's probably because my little sister is right next to me. On my left. Oh. That's my highest score right there. Oh god. Okay. Ugh. Wait, what the heck did I do that for? I'm so slow. I only like it when it's... Oh my god, double. I only like it when it's fast. I'm gonna try to go as far as I can. No, I hate these books. Oh, I like them, but I hate them because I don't like jumping with them. They killed me one time. I was doing so good. But they had to kill me. No! Come on. But the thing that I like is when you jump, actually grabs the coins that's under you. Oh yes, it's getting faster. Oh, what the heck was that? Coin. No, I don't want to double. I'll be right back when this is over. So I'm back and yeah, it stopped. Finally. F it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so good. Wait, why did I even grab these? Oh, I thought I was good right there. I was like, oh crap. Oh, they barely ran out. That's what I hate when it's about to run out. I'm so, oh my god. Ah, Superman. Oh! Are you ready, guys? Ready? Aim. Oh man, never mind. Are you ready, guys? Ready? Aim. Fire! I have 50 of the hoverboards. And since I have used one, now I have 49. And if I crash with a hoverboard, it doesn't kill me. Look, boom. Ooh. Oh, I jumped for no reason. Oh, shoot. I got scared. Why am I even running on a subway? That's the real question. Why am I running on a subway? Oh, I barely ran out. No, I'm not doing that. I'm so close to my high score. Why did I grab these boots? I don't want them. I like them, but I don't want them. I want a hoverboard. I feel like not jumping, but... Oh, them skills. Oh! I'm so... Don't... Oh, I thought I grabbed it. I'm so close to my high score. I beat it! Now I don't know where I'm going. I got hit. Oh shoot, oh. I don't know how I'm still going. No! Oh, that sucks. Gotta know what to do. Mission complete. Oh, high school. No, no, no. I didn't mean to play again. Oh, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, it's my little sister. So see you next. I like the white one better. Well, yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go for at least 1 like and 2 views. See you dudes later. Come on.